Surf's up, Geronimo. Have I ever given you bad advice? Blue skies, sandy beaches. I was dreaming of taking a vacation. Yes, I needed to escape the rat race. I had been working so hard reading the newspaper. Oops, how rude. I almost forgot to introduce myself. My name is Stilton, Geronimo Stilton. I am the publisher of the Lawrence Gazette. It's the most popular paper on the Mars Island. I love running the paper, but it is a lot of work, and no play can make a mouse very cranky. At least that's what my great uncle Happy Powers used to tell me. Anyway, one morning I passed by some travel agencies on my way to the office. The pictures in the windows looked so relaxing. Plum trees, chairs bar by the pool. I said, yes, it was time to take a break.